different. Today I'm gonna be doing like a cooking type prep type deal. So today I'm gonna show you how to make an avocado spread. So all you'll need is like some onions, some garlic powder or actual garlic, obviously avocados, any type of seasoning you want, and a knife, fork, bowl. Yeah. Okay, but before we get into the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, what you want me to do next, and hit that post notification with the bell is at if you're already subscribed. So let's get on to the video. Okay, so the first thing you will need is 2 avocados, which I already peeled. And I peeled them, I cut them up, and I basically right now I'm in the process of mashing it. Sorry about that notification sound. And you don't have to mash it so much, but if you want it finely mashed, like a nice spread where it's like not a lot of lumps. You can also like use this spread for like your, like without the seasonings, you could use it for like the spread for like your face with some essential oils, like use that as a mask. But today I'm making a spread to go on like some flatbread or just like any type of sandwich too, or you can use it as like a chip dip. That's what I love about guacamole spread, is that you can use it as many things. Okay, now that I got it finely chopped, it's like a paste. So I'm gonna be adding in some adobo. You don't have to add this. I just like the way it tastes. So I put about like this much. I actually maybe put a little bit too much. But oh well. Okay, so I'm gonna mix that in. Some garlic powder. I don't feel like using real garlic. Oh, put too much. Oh well. I'll just 1 foot salt because alright. So it looks pretty cool, to be honest. Like it looks pretty cool. So I'll be back and get the onions. Okay guys, I'm back with some more stuff. So I have a lemon, because you're gonna need lemon juice, and I have some finely chopped onion. I'm sorry I skipped the part where I showed you, but yeah, I do not like cutting onions, but whatever. And I have some white pepper. I think it's basically the same thing as black pepper. I don't know, but I have white pepper. So what I'm gonna do is first I'm gonna add the finely chopped onion. You can have thick sliced onions, but I like finely chopped better because it's just like I don't like having to have big chunks in the guac spread. So, and like you could see it more. And I use the white onion, not red onion. You can use red onion if you want. I prefer white onions, or Spanish onions, whatever you call it. But you see the white onions just blended right in. You didn't really see them. That's why I like the white onions as well, preferably over the red onions. Now it's starting to smell like real guac. So, now I'm just gonna cut the lemon in half. You don't want to like just like pop the lemon down, because then the juice will fall out. I'm gonna use the smaller half and squeeze some lemon juice in there. Not too much, not too little bit. I don't really like lemon juice that much, but the person I'm making this for loves lemon juice in it. So. And it adds that acidity that it needs to like taste like guac. Let me taste just a little bit. Hold on. Oh, sorry. Okay. Let me add a little bit of this white pepper. I never added this before, so this should be interesting. This does not smell the same as black pepper. Alright, let me just add this much, about a little dapple, like not too much. Because I don't know what it tastes like. Oh. So now we have the Sprite. It's nice and thick and creamy, like very rich. Okay. So now I added the lemon juice. Let me add just a tiny bit more. Just a tiny bit more. Okay, let me taste it now. That tastes like guac. Okay. I'll be back, guys, when I'm putting it on the bread thing. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna add it to, sorry about that. Not gonna add it to the bread just yet because they don't want the sandwich right now, so I'll add it later. But a quick tip is when you make guac and you're not using it right away, you put the pit, you keep the pits, so I kept both the pits. And I'm just gonna like put it in there. And then what you want to do is put some plastic wrap over it, cover it. Then put all the stuff away. You know, wash the cutting board, whatever you use. Wash your area up, and there you have the guac spread. And you can use it for dip. You can use it for a sandwich. You can use it like for a lot of things. If you wanted to make the face mask, you didn't put all this extra seasonings and onions, but you do put the lemon juice because it does that add the acidity that you need. But otherwise, yeah, it's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I know it's a little different from what I usually do, but you know, why not? I need some ideas, and you guys are not commenting, so I don't know. So, thank you guys for watching. AJ out.